Sir, off to you.
Thank you so much, Vishnu. Am I audible, Vishnu?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir. Off to you.
Okay, thank you so much, dear students. Let me take this opportunity to welcome you to the Freshman Induction 2020. I'm sure you would be excited to know about your university, which is Lovely Professional University. Unprecedented times, and we can very well understand that this is posing a challenge to all of us. But let me tell you that India has always stood strong in the wake of challenge. And these tough times they've made us tougher, right? And when I say that they've made us tougher, so it has helped us in looking at challenges as opportunities. This pandemic has helped us in thinking out of the box and also explore creative solutions for different problem statements. And you would agree with me that moving to platforms like these is a clear evidence of the same. Dear students, I'm sure you'll have a lot of expectation by now, and those expectations would be around the infrastructure, the facilities, the amenities that we have at LPU, the culture that we have at LPU, and how would you adapt to this rich culture that we have at LPU. Well, let me assure you that during the course of the entire presentation, I'll be able to address all your valid expectations. Let me share with you the higher education scenario in India. We have close to 945 universities and 42,338 colleges. So what does that mean? That clearly means that you had a lot of choices as far as joining any university was concerned. But let me help you by stating that you've just made the right choice. You've just made the right choice by choosing Lovely Professional University as your preferred learning partner. And why we say so, you will soon discover. Dear students, there are n number of reasons for all of us to believe how Lovely Professional University stands out from other academic institutions. Dear students, your university has grown at an envious speed, achieving milestone within much lesser time, that too with greater precision. And at Lovely Professional University, we offer opportunities to all of the students to make a meaningful change to the society. And that's the reason we say that thinking big at Lovely Professional University is not just a slogan, it's a way of life. It is actually a way of life at Lovely Professional University. Well, the success of any academic institute lies in the vision it carries. Lovely Professional University is a young and a robust university which has earned the right of becoming internationally renowned while establishing leadership in the field of learning, research, internationalization, and entrepreneurship. The success of this university can be clearly attributed to the mission that it carries, and the mission is to offer outcome-based teaching, which is a result of a collaboration with the industry, and also the ability of this university to address issues of national and international relevance through impactful research. Now, the students, let me spend a minute on when I say outcome-based teaching. What does this mean for all of us? I'm sure whenever you join any institute of higher education, you have a dream, you have aspiration in your mind, and that those aspirations, could hover around, becoming an entrepreneur, getting a job in the corporate world, or maybe joining a public sector undertaking, or maybe, studying abroad. So let me tell you, all our courses and curriculums, they have been designed in such a way that they actually help you to achieve your dreams and aspirations. So this is what we mean by outcome-based teaching. Dear students, our mission has really helped us to develop and prepare our students holistically and thereby offering global talent to the society. Whatever we are claiming so far is actually sufficiently supported and corroborated by the rich recognition and accreditations and rankings that your university has received. And let me tell you that these rankings, they don't come in easy. We are UGC recognized. We are accredited by ICR, which is Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Now, these regulatory bodies, these statutory bodies, they lay down certain stringent evaluation parameters. And once we live up to the expectations of these regulatory bodies, only then do we get all these prestigious recognition. Dear students, NIRF, which is National Institutional Ranking Framework, is a methodology which is adopted by Ministry of Human Resource Development and which ranks institutes of higher education in India. And you'll be very happy to note that LPU ranks amongst top 100 institutions in India in overall category. We are 78 amongst all government and private university. We are 50 amongst top management institutions. We are 30 amongst top pharmacy institution, and we are 100 amongst top engineering institution. So you can imagine that we have not only lived up to the expectation, actually we've exceeded the expectations of the regulatory bodies. And even if I talk about NIF ranking, they lay down certain very, very strict parameters like outreach and inclusivity, outcome-based learning, research, and even perception. That's not all, dear students. We have other rankings to our credit as well. Under the Swachh Bharat initiative, we were ranked as top 10 cleanest university in India. The Financial Express ranked us number 1 as far as infrastructure is concerned. And Times of India ranked us as top 14 engineering institution in the North Zone. Dear students, national and international membership is actually widening our campus and it is canvas, and it is actually helping us in assimilating the best practices from around the world. So what you see here is the Institute of International Education, which helps us in student transfer program, where issues of national international relevance like international peace is discussed. We have Association of University of Asian Pacific. This body actually voices the concern of the university in this part of the subcontinent to the international education world. You'll be very happy to note that we have Mittal School of Business at Lovely Professional University, which is accredited by ACBSP, which is Accreditation Council for Business School, and which again focuses on outcome-based learning and teaching. Dear students, we have professional membership with coveted bodies like CII, which is Confederation of Indian Industry, PhD Chamber, Institution of Electronics and Electrical Engineering, Institution of Engineering and Technology, and SOCHAM. And these memberships are actually making our courses and curriculums more robust and more relevant for all of you. Yes, we have tied up and we have collaborated with all the big names in the industry, be it Google, be it Bosch, be it Cisco, be it Microsoft. And through this collaboration, we are trying to offer hands-on training to our students. And that is the passion of Lovely Professional University, to offer exposure to our students to different technologies, to different domains, in order to ensure that our students are second to none. Dear student, let me talk to you about the infrastructure of this great university called LPU. Infrastructure is actually, say, a creation that redefines groundwork with latest technology and innovation. Let me spend a moment here, dear students. Each brick, each building, and each block at Lovely Professional University has a story to tell, because it has witnessed the growth of each student from being a young, enthusiastic learner to becoming a worthy professional in different organizations like Microsoft, like Amazon, like Medtronic, so on and so forth. You'll be happy to know that we are largest single campus university in India with 30,000 plus students from 29 states and from more than 50 countries. So what does that mean? That clearly means that you'll be rubbing your shoulders with students from different backgrounds, different religions, and the kind of exposure that you get at LPU is going to be unmatched. Simply unmatched, that's the word I would like to use here. Dear students, if you look at the architecture at LPU, it seems as if LPU had Enid Blyton for its architect. And this architecture only elicits one response from the desert onlooker, that LPU, where architecture is frozen music. These alluring structures, these tall buildings, they have a rich legacy to share because they've been incubators of global talent produced at Lovely Professional University, who are now working as worthy professionals in different organizations of national and international repute. Dear student, the quality of education of any institute can only be gauged from the faculty that it hires. And let me tell you that LPU takes utmost care in hiring its faculty members. And you will be happy to know that we have 4,000 plus faculty members. Most of them are PhD holders. They are rich in experience. They bring in industry and corporate flavor. They are research oriented. We have international faculty. We have corporate trainers to bring in the industry, flavor as well as discussed with you earlier. And they're also patent holders. I'm sure you are eagerly looking forward to be here, in the campus physically, and we are also looking forward that soon that day will be here when all of us will be here and we'll be studying together, enjoying together. But let me tell you how conducive environment ensures seamless conduct of and dissemination of education, coupled with effective reception of the same, can only be felt when you become, a physical part of our unmatched classrooms at Lovely Professional University, and that will happen very soon. Let me talk to you about the state-of-the-art computer labs that we have, where we give you access to all the latest technology, the gadgets, because we want our students to compete with the best of the best. We also have labs and simulators to give you hands-on training. Now, I'll spend a moment here when I say labs and simulator. What we try and do through these labs and simulator, we're actually trying to simulate business environment and business models at Lovely Professional University. So there are two-pronged benefit that we get out of creating these simulators, when we bring in these business models at our university. One, you learn the nuances of the industry. You already know which company you are aspiring to join. What are the domain-specific activities? What are the roles and responsibilities? So we train you beforehand. And the second benefit is for the organizations or the companies, those who come to recruit, they get ready-made talent from Lovely Professional University, because once they come, they interview, they know that they really don't have to spend much time on your grooming, on your onboarding, on your training, and they look at our students as ready-made talent. So that is what we mean by giving hands-on training to our students. I'm sure there'll be time when you would need time for yourself. You need time to prepare. So we have huge resource centers, we have huge libraries, a place to find solace and tranquility. Dear students, moving away from homes and coming to hostel is not easy. And we completely appreciate the emotional aspect of it. But let me tell you, from my experience and probably experience of all your seniors and alumni, that your time at LPU will probably become the best time of your lifetime. And we at LPU ensure that while you are here in the university, you're completely engaged, you're happy, you're healthy, and you're safe. Moreover, we believe that whatever concepts or theories that you learn in your classrooms, I think your study is not complete till we give a practical shape to all the theories that we have learned. To support this aspiration, we have a huge infrastructure called Innovation Studio, which helps you to give a practical shape to your theories that you've learned in the class. And let me tell you, whatever we do, whatever research that we do, whatever project we build at Lovely Professional University, the aim is very simple. We want to bring about a meaningful change to the society. That is the holistic aim of this huge, this rich, this big, this vibrant university called Lovely Professional University. I'm sure you've been in a habit of shopping at respective, malls in your, towns and the places that you belong to. But let me tell you, and believe you me, we will not let you lose this kind of experience. We will offer you unmatched shopping experience at Lovely Professional University. And what you see here in the slide is the pic of that Unimall, which is managed by our student entrepreneurs. And here you get access to international food chains. You get access to electronic gadgets, apparels, eateries, and even you get access to your daily needs stuff. Dear students, when I say 4,000 plus faculty members, 30,000 plus students, so you can imagine there'll be a lot of talent around in the university. And to support this talent, we also need to have ample and adequate infrastructure. So I'm starting with the first infrastructure, which is the Shanti Devi Mittal Auditorium, which has the capacity to accommodate 3,500 people. It is centrally air conditioned, fully soundproof, equipped with latest technology, and it has hosted events like 106 Science Congress, convocations, One World, One India, Youth Vibe, etc. Dear student, we also run a lot of events parallelly. So we have the Uni Auditorium, which accommodates 1,000 people and has hosted many events of national and international importance. Well. this is the showstopper at LPU. I'm talking about Shri Baldev Raj Mittal Unipolis, a power-packed place in the campus with a capacity to accommodate 16,000 people. Yes, students, you heard me right. It accommodates 16,000 people. And this place has witnessed some records. This place has witnessed coveted events like 106 Science Congress. And this place is the one where we have created record of sorts like Guinness Book of Record as well. I'll talk about that later during the course of my presentation. Yes, there would be students, those would be interested in indoor games. For them, we have Shri Shanti Devi Indoor Stadium, which conforms to international norms and standards. Dear students, research and development is one of the major pillars of Lovely Professional University. We have here Central Instrumentation Facility, which houses high-end and sophisticated instruments. And through this facility, we're trying to push the boundaries of research in the field of science and technology. So students, those who want to get access to high-end and sophisticated instruments, and they want to pursue their, say, research in the field of applied science or in other domain, I think this is the place where you'll get access to all the sophisticated instruments. Dear students, 2019, what an year. January 2019, what a month. 3rd January 2019, what a day. Well, that day witnessed the Indian Science Congress, a kumbh of thousands of scientists from across the world. We had 106 Indian Science Congress taking place at our LPU campus in 2019. And this coveted event was inaugurated by none other than our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. We also had the proud privilege of hosting 3 Nobel laureates, namely Professor Thomas, Professor Avram, and Professor Duncan. Dear students, there's a galaxy of political thinkers, those who visited our campus, and they shared their words of wisdom like Shrimati Smriti Irani ji, Shri Prakash Javadekar ji, Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, Minister of IT, Electronics and Law and Justice, Shri Harshvardhan ji, Minister of Science and Technology. And we also had the privilege of hosting Mr. Hamid Karzai, Prime Minister of Afghanistan, a former President Dr. Pranab Mukherjee, His Holiness Dalai Lama, and also Nikki Haley, US Ambassador to UN. So you can imagine the kind of exposure that you get once you are here in this university. You're physically present here, and I'm sure that's going to happen very soon. We are also very eager to welcome you to this university physically as well. Well, initially I was talking to you that some of the students would be interested in becoming entrepreneurs. And you'll be happy to know that LPU hosted Indian Startup Summit in February 2020, where we had people, those who really mattered. We had people, those who have been running their successful startups and they've been running their entrepreneurial initiatives. And they had come and they shared their business models. They had helped students understand what could be the sustainable business strategies, which will help them build a viable business proposition for them. So this is what I mean, the kind of exposure that you get for all your aspiration. Again, I'm saying your aspiration could be getting into the corporate world. Your aspiration could be finding a job in the public sector undertaking. It could be becoming an entrepreneur. It could be getting into research. It could be studying abroad. So all your aspirations are taken care of at Lovely Professional University. Dear student, let me spend a moment here, because we're talking about diversity at LPU, and this is the hallmark of Lovely Professional University. When I said that you will be rubbing your shoulders with thousands of students from different culture, religion, states, countries, well, that was an understatement. Just imagine the kind of exposure that you get when you converse, when you sit, when you communicate with students from different countries and different states. Your personality actually undergoes a complete change. You become more tolerant, you become more respectful towards people, and you become cognizant of the fact that people are unique and people are different. But most importantly, how does it help you as a professional and even personally? When you take up a job, you really can't choose people. People will come from different places, different religions, different walks of life. But this exposure that you've had at Lovely Professional University actually helps you to connect better with people around you. And now, what does that mean? That means if you connect better with people, you grow both professionally and personally. And this also helps your organization to grow personally and professionally. So that is what I mean when I say diversity at Lovely Professional University. Dear student, let me talk to you about the LPU Global Program. Now, what is this LPU Global Program? This connects you to top 200 universities across the globe. It equips students to learn, visit overseas. We are sending our students to different universities for these programs. And there are more than 200 LPU students who have availed study abroad option and fulfilling their dreams. Dear students, this international program opportunity at LPU happens under the credit transfer program, semester abroad exchange program, summer winter school, and masters abroad. Well, if you look at this slide, you will see that we have covered the entire globe. We have 200 plus international tie-up across the globe for a student exchange program and offering rich exposure to our students. Now, let me share some success stories with you. Our student Suraj, a BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering student, got transferred to Curtin University, Australia. Ankit Sigroa, a student, got transferred to University of Buffalo in US. We have our student called Tamanna Sharma, who got selected on 100% scholarship for semester abroad program, and she is in Canada. We have Miss Muskan Dua, one of 11 students from School of Fashion, those who went to summer school program at NABA, which is in Italy. So just imagine, students, the kind of exposure, the kind of opportunity you get, the opportunity to learn here in this diversified culture, and you also get opportunity to study abroad. So it is up to you how you grab this opportunity. Well, in this pic, you see the glimpses of One India, the students from different states, Nagaland, Haryana, Maharashtra, Goa, right? The list is endless. They're showcasing their talent. And the next picture, you see glimpses of One World, students from different countries. They're showcasing their culture, their rich culture at the Lovely Professional University. Well, yes, it's not only about diversity. We try and take care of, the students holistically. So we also host a lot of galaxy of intellectuals from the corporate industry, like we had Mr. Arun Malhotra, Managing Director, Nissan Motors. We have Mr. Mahesh Munjal, Chairman and MD, Hero Majestic Auto Limited. So they come and share their words of wisdom. And when I was saying that our curriculum, our courses are outcome based. So when we host these great personalities at our institute, actually it is supporting our, when I say that we are outcome based, yes, they help us support and make our curriculum even richer as we partner with the industry more and more. And they give us the insight as to how to become career ready. And they help us charter a roadmap of how to, embark on a journey called Campus to Corporate, right? We also had galaxy of intellectual coming from the academia. We had Professor Steve McKenna from Curtin University, Australia. We have Dr. Arun Kumar Sinha. We have Professor Dino, who's from Department of Physics, United Kingdom. Well, I'm sure when you study here, you study hard. And there's a saying that if you study hard, you need to enjoy harder, or you need to party harder. So we have a lot of events that will make you happy. And what you see in the frame is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You see Alia Bhatt, you see Varun Dhawan, you see Akshay Kumar, Jacqueline Fernandez, you see Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone. So what does that mean? So we are a very, very happening university. We are a very vibrant university. But what makes this university happening and vibrant is actually the students. So we eagerly look forward that you'd be shortly here in the university with us, and you will be witnessing all these great events at Lovely Professional University. Dear students, that's not all. We conduct a lot of coveted events like MTV Coke Studio. We also conduct Youth Vibe LPU Global Fest program, which is food for thought, soul, and body, where there's something for everyone. from knowledge hubs to competitions to delicacy and whatnot. When I say we have so many students, that means yes, we have a lot of talent. We have a lot of talented students in the university, and you'll be happy to know that our LPU students under the Afrin group reached top 8 in Colors Rising Star. Our student Paras Man reached top 12 contestants of Voice of India in channel NTV, and LPU bagged first position in AIU National Qawwali Competition 2019. So you can imagine that students, those who come here, we help them. It's not only about discovering talent, it is also about nurturing talent. So we have, lots and lots of programs and departments which will help you nurture your talent, your hidden talent also sometimes. So you can see some of these students who were not very participative earlier. They started participating, they chiseled themselves, they prepared themselves, they honed their skills, and they were able to bag, first position in AIU National Qawwali Competition. Yes, we conduct a lot of cultural events, but we also believe that keeping fit is an important aspect of one's life. And that's the reason we conduct annual athletic meets and other events. And you'll be happy to note that Manju Rani, a student of LPU, grabbed silver medal in 48 weight category in Women's World Boxing Championship held in Russia. LPU also became overall champion among nations' private universities in 2020. So you can imagine the kind of exposure, the kind of thrill that we expose you to in Lovely Professional University. We believe it's not only about outdoor games, we also conduct hackathons. Now, for most of the IT companies, hackathon is becoming a hiring process for most of them. So we give our students exposures through hackathon where they address different and difficult problem statements. And this also helps them in getting hired with different and top-notch organizations. Now, here I'm talking about the coveted Tata Group, and we had the honor of conducting regional finals of Tata Crucible Quiz 2020 in our campus. Almost 600 teams, they participate in this quiz, and you'll be very, very glad to note, students, that 2 of our teams from LPU made it to the regional finals of Tata Crucible Quiz 2020. So you can imagine the competitive spirit, the competitive spirits of our students at Lovely Professional University. We also expose our students to tech events. Our LPU students creating history in Auto Expo at New Delhi. We also have International Go-Karting Championship. And let me tell you, we also conduct the coveted FE cycle race under the Aegis of Society of Aeronautical Engineers, where the students have to build 3-tire vehicle with 2 seats which can support the driver, and they have to ensure that the entire model is safe and ergonomic. I was talking to you about student entrepreneurs. Yes, a lot of students from LPU have made us proud in this field also. Our student Sai Abhinay Chipuri has been awarded as Emerging Entrepreneur of the Year. Our student Avinash Mada, a BTech CSC honor student, has earned almost 80 lakhs in 6 months through Instagram. One of our student, Anurag, is running his own initiative called Penguin Cart. We also have a student from BCA, right, running his own initiative. So the opportunities are immense. You get immense opportunities at Lovely Professional University. It is up to you how you grab these opportunities. What kind of mindset that you carry, what kind of thought that you carry, because it's an open field for everyone. Everyone would have access to this kind of exposure. Everyone would have access to this kind of knowledge. Now it is up to you that how you make the best of it. Dear students, I'm sure you would also like to know about other amenities and facilities. We have international food chains at Lovely Professional University, be it Domino's, be it others. We have banks. We have fully equipped gymnasiums. We are a very secure campus. We are drug-free and ragging-free. We are being continuously monitored through 4,000 plus CCTV cameras. We have access to 24/7 hospital, pharmacy, and ambulance support. Yes, to keep you fit, we have the bowling alley, you can see there. So you can go there, relax and enjoy. And yes, we have we support a lot of sporting events at our indoor stadium also. As I shared with you earlier, that we have Shanti Devi Indoor Stadium, and this actually confirms to the international norms as far as the parameters are laid down. So you can see action, you can see students really playing and enjoying. And you'll be happy to know that LP hosted the All India International Aquatic Championship 2019-2020, where we had 600 swimmers from over 140 universities around the world. So you can imagine the kind of electrifying atmosphere we have at Lovely Professional University. Please take a look at this video.
Sports, but Dad wanted to use one-stop solution for whatever you need in school life, great infrastructure, great sports, great health.
Dear students, this is just one of the examples that I've shared with you. You can imagine what kind of culture and what kind of exposure that you get here at Lovely Professional University. Dear students, it's time to rise and shine. It is time to put your best foot forward. It is time to bounce back to glory. And it is also time to take adequate precaution to keep yourself safe, fit, and healthy. Thank you so much for your time. Good day and God bless. Over to you, Vishnu.
Thank you so much, sir, for that wonderful presentation. I'm pretty sure the students must have enjoyed knowing about their campus and the kind of activities that we do here in our university. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to request you all to kindly give a round of applause in the chat section for Mr. Narendra Garcha, sir, for his wonderful presentation that he has given about the campus. I'm pretty sure that you all must have known about your campus a little better and a little more. But trust me, once you come to the campus, the things are going to be more beautiful and more wonderful for all of you. Looking forward to see that day, and I hope that it comes soon, wherein we can see our university, feel the campus, and enjoy the vibrance out there. I'd like to now tell you all that it's time for us to move to the next session. I hope that you're all going to maintain the same sort of discipline. Please, I think you should give a round of applause for yourself as well for following all the instructions so wonderfully out here. Ladies and gentlemen, the next session is with Worthy Pro-Chancellor of Lovely Professional University. And I hope that you're also going to maintain the same sort of discipline out there as well. Looking forward to see you all in the next session. Thank you, everybody.